Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I have yet another new accessory for your 2024 Toyota Tacoma, and that is going to be the new floor mats from Lasfit. As always, if you want to pick up a set of these floor mats for your truck or any other Lasfit accessory, please use my code THEUSERREVIEW at checkout for 15% off. Now, while I go ahead and open this package, I'm going to talk about the main thing right here, and that is going to be pricing. These floor mats are going to be very adequately priced in compared to a lot of the competitors that are going to be on the market. These floor mats are going to come in two separate configurations, passenger and driver side, and then passenger, driver side, and rear of the vehicle as well. Passenger and driver side are going to be about $100 to $110, while the full set is going to be $130. So getting a full set of very nice floor mats for only $130 plus my 15% off code is really going to be a good deal. Now, installation for these floor mats is going to be extremely simple. I will still go ahead and show you how that is done. And then I'll also go over some of the key characteristics of this product as well. To install these floor mats, all you need to do is go ahead and remove the OEM floor mats. You can do that by going over and turning the dial to the counterclockwise position, and then going ahead and picking up your floor mat directly and removing it. And then to install the new Lasfit liners, all you have to do is just reverse the process. Go ahead, insert your floor mat, and then go ahead and nestle the floor mat until it's in the secured position. You will hear two clicks. That is to ensure that both of these retentioner tabs have been inserted through the hole. Once that has been inserted, go ahead and turn the dials in the clockwise position. This will go ahead and lock your liner right into place. The rear of the vehicle will be no different, but I would recommend going ahead and sliding both of your seats as far forward as you possibly can. And then go ahead and just simply remove the OEM mats. When installing the covers, I would recommend going downwards first, so that way this tab right here can go up and underneath your seat. Ow. Then to ensure that you have a good fit, go ahead and just massage around the floor mat, so that way it fits into all the little grooves. Upon installation, if you do notice that your floor mat does appear to be lifting off a little bit, go ahead and take it out, set it out in the sun for about 24 hours, or you can go ahead and pour some warm water over it, and that should help retain its shape. Now, a couple of the cool things I do want to go over with these floor mats is that they actually do extend over this side trim right here, so that way you don't have to worry about dirt and other debris getting caught up underneath right there, then having to pop off this side panel right there in order to get up and underneath of it to clean. Another thing I do enjoy about these floor mats is that there is actual spikes on the underside. So that way it reduces the amount of slip or the potential for it to shift around when driving. Now, a good thing about these floor mats is that cleaning is going to be a breeze. All you literally have to do is go ahead and turn your dials on your locking mechanisms, pick up the floor mat, and shake it out. And then to clean the floor mats, all you need to do is take a rag with some hot water and then go ahead and wipe them down. And much like the bed mat, this is also going to be made with TPE materials, and it's also going to be scratch and abrasion resistant, so that way you don't have to worry about it deteriorating over a short amount of time. Thank you again to Lasfit for sending out these products for me to review. If you want to pick them up for yourselves, remember, you guys can go down to the description box below, click on my personalized link, and you guys get 15% off your order. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.
Inspirasi tanpa batas, you know who I am.